few days ago I got this semi-assembled Prusa XL. This is a really good machine. I don't know what people were talking about and complaining about. This is my first print, Marlin. It doesn't really have any stringing to write off. I scaled it to exactly how Teaching Tech was scaling his, 5 centimeters long. The only thing I did differently was that I also printed the gridfinity bin right next to it. I don't think it matters. And the tower is okay, it didn't fall or anything like this. The filaments I use are Prusament. This little thing is a Prusament, the black one. Protopasta, one hobbyking random generic one, and this is also Protopasta. The only thing that was tricky about assembling this is tightening these docks. And in Prusa's manual right now, what they say is that these should not be wobbly at all. And they pretty much robust. They shouldn't wobble from side to side. They shouldn't wobble from back and forth. And as I was assembling these and putting these things in the slots, I knocked some of them over and had to retighten them like 3 times. And that is, I suspect, the trouble that most people have with these, with the alignment or anything like this. Just tighten the hell out of them. The wall doesn't have any noticeable wobble here at all. It's pretty straight between colors. I don't see anything that the other reviewers were talking about. And Martin looks good. I like it. And I have way more string than normally in here. So I guess the moral of the story is, guys, use the good filament first. I did run this in generic settings, Generic PLA. I did, of course, update the firmware. I used the latest 2.7 alpha release candidate slicer. But most of all, tighten the hell out of these docks. These should be sturdy and they shouldn't wobble at all. And they just look straight and they are just working fine. So, good luck. Don't be discouraged. The XL is a fantastic machine. It's simply just gorgeous and fabulous. Hope it helps you. Good luck.